Carl says shield over last week with several people. I love it. Carl, allow me to show you transparently what it truly is, right? So you can decide for yourself how powerful this software is. As we truly use it ourselves, like I said, to simply both for the agency side where we send cold video pitches to potential clients and just get them in, or for affiliate offers, so or your own offers for that matter. So here we go. What we're gonna do, we're gonna apply secret number one. So I'm gonna create a campaign, create video, and I can either take a video from YouTube, right, or upload a video myself, whatever I want. So let's say I'm gonna pick a video from YouTube, and let's stay on the example of traffic secrets. Let's say I want to promote the heck out of that. I want to help people get more traffic by giving them the book Traffic Secrets, or that offer, right? So all his secrets. So I think I actually got that video. So let me, I'll just upload it. I can use the direct YouTube link or download it from YouTube and upload it right here, right? And upload speed, all said and done. That's step number one, right? Step number one, upload video or take a link and then implement the link and it will put the video in there for you. Simple and done, right? Step one, done. Okay, next, the call to action. So let's say I am an affiliate for Traffic Secrets. And let's say I have an affiliate link for it. So let me pick an affiliate link. I'll pick that in a second. And I'm gonna create a call to action. Now the call to action can be anything. It can be book a call, here's my calendar, select a date, go to the website, whatever you want, whatever kind of action you want people to take during or after the video, whether it's collect email or whatsoever, or buy a product right on the spot, all the call to actions are possible. The important thing is what we're doing is we're leveraging stuff that already converts and create a highly converting video funnel with the click of a few buttons, right? So I hope that's making sense, right? So while that's uploading, let me grab the link for, or let's say like .com secrets or something, .com secrets. All right, there we go. So let's say this is my affiliate. It says affiliate ID. Let's say I got my affiliate link there. All right, so I'll let this load up, make the finishing touches, and then we'll go on with step number two. So if I go back here, step number one, create or upload, right? So in this case, I wanted to show you the create route, which is where I upload my own video, which was basically the video from YouTube, and it's done. There we go. There we go, right? So first I'm gonna switch out the title. I'm gonna call it watch this right now if you need more traffic to your offers. Or no, I'm gonna do the finger. Oh, there we go, right? Boom, that's my title. So video uploader, guys, easy or easy, right? So far, so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a call to action. So I'm gonna go to my, let's see, campaigns, no, my assets, call to actions, there we go. Right, I'm gonna create a call to action and it's gonna be go, Traffic Secrets sales page, for example, and I can do anything, collect email, go to URL, phone number, chat, calendar, video reply. They can reply to video on the spot, right? When we do this for local businesses, they mostly choose this one and they pay us good to set this up for them. Super easy. Form, external form, document, product, web page. So I'm just gonna go with the full-blown web page. Page title, traffic, or I think it's .com secrets, right? .com secrets. Offer page, the web URL on .com secrets.com. Page height, I just do like 1,000 for now. The button text, download now. Boom. Click here to get started today. Boom. Right, so this takes me like a second to do. either for myself or for clients. So if I go back to my video that I uploaded, I'm now going to input that call to action. I'm going to click on edit. This is so easy. And the amount of clients we got on recurring for this, I mean, actual service clients, so local businesses that we do this for, is insane. We're not going to add an intro and outro for now. You can trim the video, set a thumbnail, all that good stuff. I'm just going to focus on the design of the call to action for now. So that's all good. Detail, call to action, right? So I set up the sales page. I can be calendar. Like I said, I can create as many call to actions as I want. All right, moving on. Boom, 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 boom. I can also have people, I can enter the buy button. I'm just gonna do that right now. I do want the chat call to action. I want to autoplay the video. I want an emoji response button. I want the Facebook widget in there. I want to display the video title. I want to hide the playlist. Allow video download. No. Schedule auto delete, so I can really say, hey, this is a limited time offer. It deletes after you watch this, or self-destruct. Not gonna do that for now. I think these are the settings I'm satisfied with. I can have a form, a buy button, a calendar in there. I can have the video as I want. I can create video replies, all of that good stuff. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Now the beauty is, I don't have to create a separate video page or anything. It's hosting this for me. So now if I go to this website, and I can actually edit the website and create a background as I want, I got it right here, right? Now, I can have this as a thank you page, and guess what? The sales page is right beneath it. So if I let that load up for a second, guys, are you seeing how this works? It's super, this took me a second. I'll get a full-blown, now I can create this video page, send it to clients. I can offer to do this for clients. I mean, we're killing it with the video game and conversions back to back. And look at this. Oh, you like the video? Boom, sales page. Buy it right here, right now. Here you go. I can scroll down. You can immediately buy the offer. My affiliate link is embedded. I'm good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, are you seeing how we're leveraging what works and then taking the best advantage out of it and increasing our conversions? Now, we're not only doing this for ourselves, we're also doing this for clients and setting up videos funnel for them for their own offers for local businesses, and they freaking love it, right? Now, I can host this on my own. I can host this on the Facedrip page. I can remove the logo, put my own logo, all that good stuff. But the important thing is I have the highest of conversions without doing any of the work. Like, I know where I've written all of this stuff to create a bonus page for an affiliate offer. But now when I promote something, I just tell people, hey, go here and buy the offer. Super simple, right? Ladies and gentlemen, are you loving this so far? Are you seeing how powerful this is? And I just showed you 1%. Like, I added the emojis, people can respond. Let me know if you're loving the offer so far. This is just 1% of all it can do. It can do so much more. You can set up email automation, SMS automations, opt-in automations. I mean, this will get you the most insane conversions just by picking videos off the internet that are already highly converting. And we will show you how to get traffic to them. So I see Chris says, can we point domain it? Yeah, for sure. Kofi says, pretty cool. Absolutely. I love it. I love it. So there's so much more to this. And like I said, we actually help students create an agency out of this so that you can service other clients and also do it for yourself.